The Traveler Smart Battery Charger gives me peace of mind. I'm a professional automotive journalist with 10 years of experience. Also lived in a ranch in South Texas for about 20 years, so I spent a lot of my time around motorized vehicles. And what I like about the Traveler Smart Battery Charger, besides its durability and its lightweight, is how practical it is to have in the shop, in the garage. With the Traveler Smart Battery Charger, all you need is an extension cable to bring it to where the vehicle is to connect to your 12 volt or your 6 volt battery. It weighs just 2 pounds and is convenient compared to the traditional old style heavy duty battery chargers. The Traveler 2 amp, 10 amp, 6 volt, 12 volt smart battery charger includes a microprocessor driven system to protect against polarizing, overcharging, and overheating, which means you can actually plug it in and leave it for 16 hours, 24 hours without worry. It will automatically switch to a floating setting, which means it will just maintain that charge instead of continuously adding more power. I really like the display. It'll tell you how many amps it's charging at, the battery capacity it's at when you plug it in, more importantly, if it's full. And I also love that it's backed by a 1-year limited warranty. Having the Traveler Smart Battery Charger just right there at the ready really lets me know that none of my vehicles are going to be caught off guard by that dreadful clicking noise of a dead battery.